Welcome back to Home Sweet Home Cooking. I am your host Rocky in my mother's kitchen as usual. This is going to be a real quick video. It is Thanksgiving and I decided I didn't want to do the green bean casserole this year. So we're going to do a corn side. Real easy to do. It's called slow cooker cheddar corn. You need one 16-ounce package of frozen corn and a 12-ounce package of frozen corn. So that's 28 ounces of frozen corn. One 8-ounce package of cream cheese. I've got that diced up a little bit to stir it in. 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, which turns out to be 4 ounces or 1/4 pound. And cheddar cheese, but I didn't say that. 1/4 cup of butter, that's 4 tablespoons. I've got that diced up a little bit. 1/4 cup of heavy cream. 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. You're just going to stir that. You're going to put it on low and let it go for 3.5 to 4 hours. Stir it a couple times throughout that to make sure everything gets mixed and melted, and then it's time to serve. So we're going to let this go for 3.5 to 4 hours and be back and have a quick taste. Alright, it's been in there going for 4 hours on low. And I stirred it a couple times. It is very creamy and a little hot, but very good. I would say, for me, if I'm going to change this, I'm going to put in some fresh jalapeno. I cook with some jalapeno in there. A little more salt and pepper on the table, but I like this. Very simple to do. Just throw it together, turn the crock pot on. A couple hours later, you got a good side. Thanks for watching. I kept this one real short and sweet because it's turkey day and we're gonna carve the turkey. So thanks all. Have a good day.